In this video, I want to show you how to properly insert your battery and remove it, and also use the charger. When you first get your unit, you'll have two batteries. This is the positive side of the battery, and it has a plus on it with all the writing. And on the back side is the negative side, and there's no writing on it at all. So on your charger, you will see a minus on one side, right here, and a plus on the other side. So when you go to charge your battery, you want to put the plus side matching the plus. So just slide it in like this, and then plug in your cable, the USB-C cable, and then plug this into a computer or USB charger. Any USB charger will work just fine. There's a little light that will come on right here, and when it's green, that means it's already charged. When it's red, it needs to charge more. So just plug it in until the light turns green. So this one's ready to go. I'm going to take the battery out. Next, I have to open up my unit. So I just pop it open like this. Now this is what you really have to pay attention to. So right here, you'll see there are two little prongs right there. And the battery has to slip underneath of those prongs. It's spring-loaded, so that once you're underneath of it, it'll move like this, right? You see that moving. So when I put the battery in, you want to kind of put it in at an angle, kind of flat, underneath of those prongs like this, and then press it toward that end and snap it down like that. And then it'll start running. Now to remove the battery, take your small tool and you put it right in between the battery and that little part on the right there, and you flip it up like that, and it'll pop right out. So one more time, to slide it in, go underneath of those prongs. Don't put it on top because it won't blink. Go underneath of those prongs like this. Give me a good shot of that. And then just press it down like that. To remove it, take your little wooden tool, or you can use a little screwdriver or anything that'll fit in there, and just lift it up and it'll pop up just like that. That's all there is to it. The batteries that come with your unit are an LIR 2032, which are rechargeable batteries, so you can recharge these over and over again. They'll last about a week, so you can have one in your charger and one in your unit and then swap them once a week. If you want longer run times, you can get a CR 2032. These are available pretty much in any store, and they'll last about a month, but they are not rechargeable.